Hello, this is Dwight Pettit. I want to talk to you today about when you get in an accident and the things that you should be aware of and very, very conscious of. And one of the things that you should think about immediately, as well as getting your witnesses and calling the police department to document your accident, is calling a lawyer. Call us, Dwight Pettit at dwightpettitlaw.com. Call us immediately so that we can, in fact, get the facts as it relates to your insurance companies, as it relates to the insurance company of the other individuals in the accident. And a lot of times when you have an accident, the injuries may not manifest themselves immediately. There might be something that you begin to feel pain or begin to feel the injury at a later time. So you have time to do that. You should do it immediately, but if you don't do it immediately, you still have time to, in fact, exercise your rights in terms of what benefits are available to you under Maryland law. In an accident in Maryland, you have 3 years to file the suit, but that's not to suggest that you need to wait, because you need to get medical treatment immediately to, in fact, abate your injuries. And the insurance companies also begin to look at when were you treated, how quickly were you treated afterwards, whether or not you went to therapy, whether or not you went to the hospital, whether you kept your medical appointments. All of that becomes very, very important, and you should be guided by an attorney when those things take place. When you call our office, we'll take your information as to your vehicle and your property damage and PIP coverage. You're entitled to that. A lot of people are not aware of what PIP is, but you have that page. That's your insurance company that you pay for. It's not something that goes against your insurance company in terms of, or insurance company goes against you in terms of raising your premiums. You pay for PIP, and you're entitled to that relief in terms of your medical bills up to a certain extent being paid by your insurance company. And that doesn't hurt you. It doesn't put a mark on your insurance. You have the right to recover that money, and then you make your determinations, or we'll make your determinations in terms of the liability. And one of the things that people are not aware of, you need to carry insurance so that you, not only what you carry by law, but that you carry enough insurance that covers your home and your property in case somebody brings an action against you also. And so insurance is very, very important. Your PIP insurance, your liability insurance. And let's say, for example, somebody hits you and they don't have insurance, driving illegally without insurance, then your insurance will kick in terms of uninsured. And the amount of insurance that you carry will then begin to cover you. Might say on the backside, because the person that you hit, or let's say, for example, the person that you're in an accident with has minimal coverage, and you're in a serious accident where you establish serious medical bills and very serious permanent injury, then your insurance, if you have underinsured and uninsured coverage within your policy, will pick up and cover you just as if the person that hit you had that coverage. So your insurance in terms of your liability, in terms of your collision, to get your car fixed and what have you, are extremely important. And our people in our office, when you call, as well as myself, we will look at all of that and find out immediately how to protect your rights, how to protect you through PIP coverage, how to protect you through underinsured, how to protect you through non-insured, how to protect you in terms of liability, how to, in fact, make sure that we have the witnesses, that we've documented the facts, that we've ordered the police report, that we've made sure that you had the proper medical treatment, and that you've gone to a hospital or a doctor to, in fact, have those injuries taken care of.